The screams of these birds will make anyone freak out. Number 1. The shoebill. When this bird opens its mouth, it sounds like an attack is about to happen. This giant predator can stay completely still for hours, then suddenly strike and grab its prey. Its eerie stare is so terrifying, it's often called the dinosaur bird. Number 2. The laughing kookaburra. Its laugh sounds like a witch cackling. In the wild, this noise serves as a warning. This is my territory. In Australia, the kookaburra is called the forest alarm clock because its chilling laugh can be heard before dawn. Number 3. The loon. The haunting call of the loon sounds like the cry of a ghost. Native Americans believed loons were the spirits of the dead, communicating with the living. Which of these birds freaks you out the most? Drop a comment below.